Hello, and welcome to Cyber Qubits Win Big with Cyber Qubits Raffle, where you can apply for scholarship to earn amazing prizes. My name is Sai, your host. Here is spin the wheel for the lucky winner to win a luxurious, glamorous prize of a free Apple gift card. Now, with no further ado, it is time to spin the wheel to win big with Cyber Qubits. And the winner is... Congrats! You won the Apple gift card. Make sure to spend it wisely. And that is all. We will return June 30th to give away a free 3D printer. And thank you for watching.